Well, hello all my fluid art friends. It's Doris at DF Designs. Welcome to my channel. Welcome to a special video, real short one. It is my 3-year anniversary on YouTube. I do have a giveaway. I'm going to show that to you in a minute. But first I want to say Merry Christmas and Happy New Year's to all of my subscribers. And I want to thank you guys from the bottom of my heart for everything that you have done for me by supporting me. I love seeing your faces in the chat, or your names in the chat. I don't see your faces. I love seeing your names in the chat. I love the comments. I also love the camaraderie and the banter that goes on during my lives. You all are awesome. You're my viewers. Oops, that doesn't, well, no, that doesn't look right. I'll do it underneath this camera. Anyway, let's get to the giveaway. This is the painting I am giving away. Okay, it is a 10 by 20. It is, it's not a gallery wrapped. This is the back. And what it says on here, I signed it, dated it. It says 3 years anniversary giveaway. And it is a 10 by 20. Sides are done. And this was one of my first swipes. I'm gonna link it up here in the corner so you can go see the making of it. But what you're gonna do for the giveaway is you're gonna put a comment below this video. You're gonna have until January 1st, which is a Saturday, and I'll be going live, and I will pick the winner that night. So you got a little over a week to enter. So all I can say is that you guys are awesome. Oops, wait a minute, I forgot to do my heart. You're my viewers of awesomeness. I love each and every one of you. Oops, wrong one. There we go. Thank you so much for everything that you guys have done over the past couple of years, supporting me. I love each and every one of you. I love the help I've gotten. I love the views. You guys are awesome. Keep it up. I hope to do another 3 years or more on YouTube. So let me bring this back up one more time. Oh, let me get the glare off of it. This is the giveaway. I will tell you, it's going to be free shipping in the United States, okay? Overseas, if you win, we'll talk about it, but it's not going to be that heavy of a box, so I know it'll go for first class international package, because it's going to weigh less than 4 pounds. It'll probably weigh 2 pounds. And can't tell you off the top of my head what it would cost to the countries, but I do ship a lot of international, so I know. So make a comment below the video, one comment, and tune in on January 1st, 6 p.m. Central, which is 7 p.m. Eastern, or 4 p.m. Pacific that day on January 1st. And at the beginning of the live, I will hopefully get my cameras to do what I want it to do and do a comment picker, a YouTube comment picker, to find the winner. One winner, okay? So thank you, everybody. Have a Merry Christmas and have a Happy New Year's, and I hope to see you guys on all my next lives and all my recorded videos, okay? So y'all are awesome. Thank you from the bottom of my heart for 3 great years. And all I can say is bye for now.